Hi Tarot Tribe, it's Ethany and it's Friday, which means I have a new deck to share with you all. And this is coming, I want to apologize so hard. Rebecca, I'm going to say your name wrong, your surname wrong. So I'm not even going to try. So Rebecca S. And I wanted to show you because not only did she include her deck, I nearly fucking lost my shit when I saw this. But look what else she put in there for me. Shut the front door, back door, garage, everything. Look at this pin, bitch. Yes, queen. You know that's going like right there. I don't think you can see it. I want to wear this and never take it off. I love it so hard. I want to tattoo it on my forehead. Maybe a bit extreme, but I do really love it. Oh my God. So I wanted to show you that. The Tarot Queen pin, if it's going to, and it's all glittery and red. I freaking love it. And then we have her beautiful deck. So this is the Laughing Eye, Weeping Eyes. This is her business by Rebecca. Laughing Eye, Weeping Eye. And it says, thank you, Ethany. Enjoy the pin. Oh, she's so sweet. And I got a little stag. Actually, I think I got a stag the other day from another person too. And it's the Creatures of the Moon. So I'm going to take it out of this box, if it's going to let me. It's the Creatures of the Moon. Storytelling Oracle. Okay. Look at that. It's all shiny. It's all silver and shiny, black and silver. It fits my aesthetic today. So I'm going to go through this deck and book set by Rebecca. And again, I don't want to butcher your name, honey, but I really appreciate the pin and the deck for sure. And I'm sorry that I don't want to. I'm really funny about names. Like if I feel as though I'm going to butcher someone's name, I get really upset about it. So that's the reason why I'm not saying it. But I'm very excited. So we're going to go through the deck. We're going to go through the book. I'm going to change over the cameras and let's have a look at the gorgeous Creatures of the Moon Storytelling Oracle. Okay, my lovelies, now we're going to have a look through the deck and the book of the Creatures of the Moon, a Storytelling Oracle by Rebecca Schoenecker. I'm so sorry if I said that wrong, Schoenecker. We're going to have a look through this deck. So it comes in two parts. We have the book. As you can see, it's beautifully silver gilded and nice and thick and in color. Hello color. Gorgeous little chunky book. So we're gonna have a look at that, and then we have the box as well, which is a nice hardcover keepsake box. So we'll go through, have a quick look at the book. Acknowledgements. Okay, so this is the table of contents. Welcome, the story of stories, meet the deck, meet the book, about the creatures and working with the creatures. We have creature side and moon side. About the moon, working with the moon, goddesses, moon readings, methods and spreads, and then references as well. Okay, then we have the cards. So here is like a short little quick cheat sheet almost if you're trying to find the cards. Okay, then the welcome, Rebecca's story, your story, the deck and the book. So there's quite a lot here in the book. Now I'm going to go through, as always, I pick a card and have a look at what the book gives us for the meaning. So I'm going to now pop that, but it is a nice thick book. I'm going to pop that aside and we're going to go through the deck. Thank you. Thank you here. As always, I'm going to, oh, it comes with a soundtrack. That's really cool. I'll have to check that out. So it does come with that little keepsake box. interesting. And each, the back here, so it's a two-sided deck. So lunar eclipse, magic, the triple moon, intuition, the waning moon 14, courage, a beautiful snake, waning moon 13, musicity, waning moon 12, truth, and this is unlike any deck that I've seen before, which I absolutely love. And as many of you know, I've seen a lot of decks. Waning moon 11, crafty foxy, so I love this is a new system. Waning moon 10, transition, waning moon 9, renewal, waning moon 8, protection. Now the card stock is lovely. It's a nice heavy 350 GSM. It has a beautiful matte finishing, so it holds and it feels really, really lovely. The size is a little bigger than a tarot deck size, but it's a little longer than most oracle decks, and I quite like it. It's actually the size that I want to do the second edition of the Awakened Soul Oracle. It reminds me of the Druidcraft Tarot when you trim it. Last quarter, patience, waning moon 6, instinct, waning moon 5, potential, waning moon 4, reflection, waning moon 3, adaptability, waning moon 2, oh, equality, oh, I love that, beautiful, waning moon 1, freedom, full moon, grace, waxing moon 14, so now we're going the other way, beauty, gorgeous cards, waxing moon 13, will, waxing moon 12, illumination, waxing moon 11, interchangeability, Waxing Moon 10, Possum Blossom, Waxing Moon 9, Action, Waxing Moon 8, Community. Oh, I love that. Okay, first quarter. Oh, Symbiosis. I love frogs. Waxing Moon 6, Union. That's beautiful. Really digging it. I'm kind of being a bit thoughtful, like I'm being quite quiet because I've never seen a deck, like it's in a good way, and it's all credit to Rebecca. I've never seen a deck done this way, so I'm really I'm processing it all and I'm really enjoying it. Waxing Moon 5, Power. It's a really well done concept. Waxing Moon 4, Friendship. Waxing Moon 3, Vitality. Waxing Moon 2, Building. Waxing Moon 1, Spirit. And then the new moon, Metamorphosis. It's really a gorgeous deck, and I can't wait to delve into the book and really get into Rebecca's brain box into her head. And so the deck, again, with that beautiful cardstock, nice thick cardstock, and the finishing, the shuffle's really lovely. So Power, I've pulled the Waxing Moon 5. So I'm just going to have a look at what the book has to say on that. Oh, and I literally opened the book to that. So the story of the bear. On the 5th day of the waxing moon, Bear was lured out of his den by increasing hunger as well as the light overhead. All was beautiful and in bloom, walking over pine and grass. Bear, as woman, was also a force. She guarded her cubs with great growls and taught them to scavenge and hunt. When Bear's temper is flared, Two-Legged was easily scared, which of course Bear liked. So a little bit about the bear. And then the story of Bear is Power. Power, breakthrough, resourcefulness, bounty. And then a little bit about its connection to the waxing moon, 5. Positive aspect, there's an increased energy and power to stand your ground, know your territory and resolve conflicts. Challenge aspect, number and reflection. So there's a lot of information that you get for each one. And then you also get information on the 5th day of the waxing moon and the goddess. So the phase, waxing, and the goddess is the maiden aspect of the goddess. And he shows where in that journey to the full moon that sits. And as you can see here, this is north hemispheric. In the southern hemisphere, the moon actually, the crescents are turned inward on the way to waxing and waning. So this would be very specific to the northern hemisphere. But there is an awful lot of information in there. Like I said, you get, that's like 4 pages worth of information per card. So there's an awful lot here, and as I mentioned before too, there's a playlist, there's music as well that you get. So the whole thing has been thought out, the whole deck, the premise, everything has been thought out so beautifully by Rebecca. I will place a link to where you can support this indie deck in the description below as always. And thank you so much for watching and for helping me spread the indie deck love.